Alright guys, so what we got today is a Mazda CX-7 head deck upgrade to the Kenwood. So at the moment I've just got that sitting there, and I am running the reverse camera up down that side part of the tailgate with a coat hanger, and reversing camera mounted there. Just got the cord through. I've taped them together to allow me to feed it down and hook it up. So reversing lights just wires just behind that section there. Yeah, I'm going to feed it through there, both wires, the reverse camera RCA and just a negative and power wire through there. Run it down underneath the hood lining down this way, and then the RCA will run out towards the front. So as you can see, I've got the negative and positive wire for the reverse power to go to the reverse light just in there. What I did with the reversing camera wire itself, ran it all along under here, down through the kick panel, up along the dash, and just comes out there. So it's a perfect length. So next would be putting in the new head deck in with the fascia. As you see with these side pieces for the doubled in, they just pretty much slide on, click into place, and you can bolt the doubled in. Okay, as you can see, I've set the CD player up. All works well with the Bose sound system. So what I'm going to do today is tape it all up, give it a full cut back and a polish. Just waiting on a few parts to come, and then give this. All I can do is mask up all the chrome around the windows, the door handles. Let's get into it. You can see it's got some paint fade on the car. It had a bit of damage, but I've sort of fixed it and sort of got to blend it. So let's see how. Yeah, the paintwork's got a few imperfections in it, but that reflection, no. Now it's got to give it a, once the whole car's cut back, full polish. Can't really tell whether I've fixed up, but you can see a dent. So the whole car is polished up, except for that door. I've done it, but I'm gonna have to re-sand it and re-spray it again. I've just got the few marks on the car. Just got the roof, the polish, the cut back, and the front bar. Good reflection on it too. That's just a cut back. So I'll probably polish it tomorrow, finish it off. Difference what a cut and polish does. Well, not really polish at the moment, but that's where the line ends there. Not too concerned about the roof as it's going to be wrapped, which will be in another video. But I'm not going to film the whole roof being cut back. I'll leave it there.